Welcome back. Today we're going to do a slime video. So I've got some clear slime here and we're going to put some powder on it and some glitter. And today we're going to make some cloud dough slime that we practiced yesterday and that a person showed us how to make it, and it's with shaving cream, food colouring and corn flour, and it's going to be a wonderful day today. And then welcome back, Axolotl. She just fell on the floor. So we're going to put 1 cup of shaving cream in and then 1 drop of food colouring and 1 cup of corn flour. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, we're going to put in some shaving cream. Followed by some food colouring. And you guys get to choose which colour, but I can't hear you through here, so let's start. We've got yellow, pink, purple. First one, I think we can put pink in. So we maybe need 4 drops or 3. So I'm going to put in 3 or 2. But if you put too much, it doesn't matter because you can restart all the time. You never quit at doing it. Then we're going to mix it with a spoon. It's really pretty how the colours get mixed in. So we make this to be a bit faster for you guys, so it's not that much. But as you mixing it up, the third thing is we're going to put a cup of corn flour in. And there we go. Now we're going to mix it. You might need a grown-up to help you. Mom, come and help me! Okay, so we're done mixing it. There's no right or wrong anywhere. So you can make this at home. So if it's too dry, add more shaving cream. But if it's too wet and sticky, add more corn flour. Now, I've made the pink one, and you can keep on playing with the dough until you get the right consistency and your right choice that you want. Okay, so now we've made 3 colours: purple, yellow, pink, and I squished them, and we're going to make a big cake, and there's a bowl over there, but let's do some playing with it. So this is purple, and when you make this, you can play with it, but you can't really stretch it, but I guess you can, but not that well. But it's really soft and squishy. I'm gonna make a cake. A rainbow cake, especially a rainbow cake. And let's start with the pink. I've got my potato smasher to flatten it out. So we're going to smash it. But if this doesn't work, you can just use your fingers to press and your fist. And then we're going to do everything the same as for the other colours. I'm going to choose with purple in the middle. If you guys make this, it's really easy, but if we do some more shuffling, you can always pause it when we get fast and stuff. Oh, silly me. This is not purple, it is yellow. Oh my silly goodness. Let's keep on smashing it and smashing it and smashing it in. Now, let's keep on smashing it. Now, getting all of it to the edges just to cover the pink up. And finally the purple. Okay, we got the purple. Put a pink heart if you like the pink one. Put a yellow heart if you like the yellow one. Put a purple heart if you like the purple layer, because you'll see where when we cut a slice with this, it's gonna be satisfying. Okay, let's keep on smashing it. Like I always say, smash, smash. Now, if it's not that straight and it's like lumpy, it doesn't matter, because you can always smash it like this. Okay, so now we've fixed it, we've made it flat, and the best part, that's my bird. It's a parrot. No, it's not a parrot. It's a cockatoo. It's the pink one that dances. Okay, he's been squawking, and my mum has been saying don't squawk while I'm doing this. Okay, we're gonna pat it. Okay, if this is stuck, guys, watch this. But it feels so smooth when you're doing this. And I've got to get a big drum roll. That's not a cake. It's a little... There it is. It's so pretty. Now we're going to cut into it. Okay, now we've lifted it. And you can see pink, yellow, purple. And it's so pretty that it's amazing. And now we are going to cut it in. But firstly, we're going to decorate it. So let's add some sprinkles. It's so shiny. Now let's sprinkle it around. It's so smooth when I'm doing this, guys. There we go. Okay. Now that's done, we're going to add some charms. Oopsies, my axolotl fell again. That's alright, my mum will pick that up. Okay, let's add little flowers, yellow, orange, pink, and lastly, green. Let's add some animals. Let's add a little lion. And then let's add a elephant. Now let's add a panda. In here goes. And then let's add a froggy. And let's add some charms. There's a little crab, sea crab. In it goes. There we go. And then let's add like a shell with a pearl in it. Let's add some more, I reckon. We add a whale. Now let's add a cow. Then let's add a piggy. Piggies are cute. Now let's grab this over here. There's a little jellyfish and it's yellow or orange. Matches these two. And maybe the crab and the yellow right here. Let's put the little jellyfish right here next to the yellow. And then let's add a green seahorse. Let's put it next to the green one because it's the green frog and flower. Because it's both green. It's so cute. And finally, some more charms. We add this little, I reckon it's an octopus. And then let's add a green elephant. Anybody want to see a blue bunny? Now we've got 2 rabbits and they've grown and their names are called Mr. Curly and Mr. Pipe Cleaner. Now, Mr. Pipe Cleaner is not obviously a cleaner or it's a pipe. But Mr. Curly, it has curly hair. And now we've added all of the animals and the best thing is we're gonna cut it. Ready? Which one? I reckon let's go with the panda. Okay, cut. And then, let's go both. Okay, now there's my slice and look how pretty it looks inside. Oh, that fell, but who cares? Look at the inside of it. It's amazing, isn't it? So I'm going to go and squish the cake and I'm going to make a big slice for my mum and you guys. I'm going to make them for my mum and then you guys. Okay? Now, I'm going to make a big cake. What one would you like, Mum?
I'll have the whale, please.
The whale. Good choice, Mother. Here's a big piece for my mum.
Thank you, Possum.
Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh, my God. Let's put it over here where I squished mine. And then this one's from my mum. Sorry, Mum, but I've got to squish it. Now I'm going to make one for you guys. Do you want to go? I'm going to make you a big slice and write your animal, write your favourite animal in the comments. Which animal you like, and I might see your comments. Let's just move it like over here, and I'm going to cut these ones. Now, obviously, do you want me to make this big one? Because this is yours, because you like my videos. And actually, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Let's do some playing with these. Now, I'm gonna go and squish. Ready? It's so satisfying. Oh, it's like a dream come true. Let's smash this one. Ready? Look at the bottom, it's purple, then look at the middle, it's yellow, then look at the top, it's pink, it's smooth. And that was easy to break. Oh, it looks like a smile. Okay, now we've got Axie back, fell on the floor. Now, we put it all into a bowl, and once you're done making this, you can store it in an air packet or an air jar, an airtight, and a plastic bag. And sorry that we didn't have time to play with the clear slime, but next weekend we might could, or next after school, because I done it after school today. Now we're gonna cut it in the middle, and I'm gonna go like open it. This will be fantastic. And you'll see who's going to go on my shoulder at the end. Okay? Okay. Are you guys ready? Give me a countdown in 3, 2, 1. More going my way than I thought it was, because I haven't cut it properly, I think. Yeah. Okay, let me cut it. Just turn it around so I can cut it. Oh, you guys are gonna get wrecked. Ready? Steady, ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! The colours are ruined! Oh no! Oopsie daisies. Guess it didn't work, but at least you guys had a wonderful day today. Bye bye from you guys and me. My bird is right here. Welcome, buddy. I know. Did? Well, there's my bird. There's my cockatoo. Did? Come here. He loves me. Come on. Come on, brother. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Oh. 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 Guess he's climbing up there. Bye from me and bye from my bird. And bye from Mum. Ding ding. Like and subscribe and hit that bell. Bye.